to all you Gen Next. Obviously, United want, the top order batsmen to front up to the task, build partnerships. Somehow he's stopped himself from hitting the ball in the air so far. He hasn't taken that big risk. And once again drives it down the ground for a run.
Building it up nicely, and I think just for Islamabad United's confidence, they need wickets in hand at the back end as well, because it's not worked for them in the first two games. Maybe just build on these singles. Saying that, Karachi Kings won't mind this little lull in this first 6 overs, post power play.
I think this is a pitch which demands a bit of grind, and once you're in, then batting becomes a little easier. Oh, he's gone for maximum. That's a magnificent connection. Once again, bottom hand coming into play. Khalid Latif has fired 2 sixes now.
And a huge one at that 88 meters. He's got underneath that and lifted it sublimely. It's gone way into the crowd. Shakib knew it. Fantastic connection. Nobody to catch it though in the crowd.
Yeah, and those expressions from Shakib Ul Hasan suggested that he was stunned by this magnificent strike against the run of play.
Just seems to have everything under control. Khalil Latif, a good decision. United merrily along, 66 for 1.
Excited.
और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी।
घर पैसे मोबी कैश करने में बड़ा सुकून मिलता है, और साथ ही साथ मोबिलिंग से मिलता है बहुत कुछ, यानी ढेरों फ्री मिनट्स, SMS और इंटरनेट भी।
मोबी कैश, जबान का पक्का।
Tickets sale online, and you want to stand there, you want to be in that HPL VIP box, you need to win a competition. So Shoaib Malik takes it on himself to get a breakthrough. United looking ominous now, 66. Khalid Latif with a couple of big hits, Sharjeel looking good, so Shoaib Malik now will want a breakthrough. The off spinner from round the wicket to Khalid Latif.
Well, they have Osama Mir as a leg spinner, so I'm wondering why he's not yet been employed, because this is an excellent time for him to come, because this is an easier angle for a right-hander to target over mid-wicket or square leg, off spin. So leg spin would have been a better option.
Oh, nearly. Probably the best option right now, Karachi Kings, was that run out, and Lendl Simmons is quick.
Well, Sharjeel Khan is built like a power plug. There was a lot of him in front of the stumps, so the fielder had no chance.
round the wicket. Malik trying to close the angles, not allowing the batsman to free his arms.
Yeah, leg spinner obviously is a very good option. Always, whether it's T20 or 50 overs, that's excellent running, by the way. Beautifully judged by Khalid Latif. Made Sharjeel Khan hustle for that. He knew exactly at what pace he's hit it, and there he goes. Because there's hope when you involve a leg spinner of a wicket. And at this stage, Karachi Kings clearly need a wicket or two.
Misbah padded up. He's got the helmet on, so he fancies it now. With the spinners on, we know he can hit real big. Ashar Zaidi to pad it up. These two doing it nicely. Osama Mir actually played for Sialkot Stallions, so Shoaib Malik will know a lot about him, and maybe he knows when he's going to introduce him or how to handle him.
The color of their kit is eye-catching. Beautiful colors. United probably the best kit. Well, I like it.
You know, Wasim Akram won't compromise on style ever.
Absolutely, yes. But red color obviously attracts eyeballs.
Like the color of the glasses too.
Need red glasses. Red goggles, Waz.
Even Shoaib Malik feeling the pressure, trying to close down on leg stump, but too far down. It's 71 already, and we're into the 10th over. Fantastic start. So after the first 10, 71 for 1.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे.
ये सुनहरी किरणें हैं सुनहरी बैंक की. चाहे आप रिटेल बैंकिंग कस्टमर हों या इस्लामिक बैंकिंग कस्टमर, अपनी 240 से जायद ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक सूरज की तरह रखता है आपका यकसा ख्याल. सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम.
PTCL मुफ्त ईवो ऑफर. अब ईवो विंगल बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर. तो जल्दी करें. PTCL.
Now the game has started to just even out a little bit. First 2 overs were low scores, and then there were some big ones, and they managed to drag it back a little bit. Current rate now 7. It's nicely set up, 71 for 1. And the new man that's going to take up the challenge is someone who's been talked about a lot, Osama Mir. He'll be under the pump straight away, that you can be sure of. There's not a lot of spin yet, and there's good bounce. It's even, it's nicely paced. 2 men are set, and you're going to have to bowl well.
Yeah, I sense excitement in your voice, leg spinner. If there's any sort of spin, he'll get it. It's 72 for 1. Work cut out.
Well, he keeps bowling it there in a fetch. Plenty. He's a little nervous. He's young. He's just 20. He's tall. A lot of arms and a lot of legs and a lot of things going on. But he's dragging it down at the moment, just snatching at it.
Well, that wasn't bad. Just went straight on with the arm. No spin that time. Sharjeel will fancy the leg spin turning into him, but that one, straight on.
Tell you what, it wasn't far away. I must tell you, I fancy that little shot. Can see why we're so excited.
Sharjeel eyeing mid-wicket. Short. Pulls it away. Does he bisect the gap? No. Just a couple of runs. I think Sharjeel missed out that one. It was pretty short. And that is his arc. Wide, long on and mid-wicket.
Yeah, you got to drag it down. If he drags it down, you're going to fetch. He's got to get it up there. Ask them to drive.
Yeah, he's searching for that slog sweep. He's tried it a couple of times. He's not middled one yet, but that's his go-to shot against the ball spinning back into him.
Come on, everybody, come on, let's come on.
Khalid Latif has struck the ball well. He's come out and he's timed the ball extremely well. He's a big six-hitter off spinners, and we've seen that already. Not a bad over in the end, just 5 off, so 76 for 1.
Jazz Excite feature phones or Jazz Explore smartphones.
I've got my Jazz X. Go get yours.
Mobiling Jazz X.
Chat, both sides have probably talked through their strategies of what they're going to do. And that man in picture, I thought he bowled extremely well up front. He looked the area and the line every single time. Well, in the little break, Zanab's got somebody down on the edge of the boundary and could be an interesting person. Let's go down to you, Zanab.
And I've got someone with me who needs absolutely no introduction whatsoever, Sania Mirza. Sania, welcome to Dubai. How do you feel coming over here and obviously supporting Karachi Kings and obviously Shoaib Malik?
No, it's great. Cricket's in my blood, obviously, and so for me to come, I was here for a couple of days, so it's great to come and watch the match today, and I'm having a great time.
And, Shoaib, obviously in a lot of his interviews, he's spoken about how you've been the motivating factor in his life. He was out of the team for a very long time. So what was the pep talk like?
You want to know what I said to him for 3 years? No. No, it was just about trying to support each other. I guess that's what, you do. And it was easier for me to understand what he was going through as an athlete. We all go through ups and downs in our lives and in our careers. So he always believed that he was going to come back, and I believed in him. So I'm happy that he's made a comeback, and he's been playing really well.
And, as sportsmen, both of you obviously are individually brilliant at what you do. Is it easier for you to sort of understand each other in these situations of the career?
Yeah, most definitely. I think that, a lot of things go unsaid. We just understand it. We know that when we have a tough match, we don't really need to say anything to each other, give each other some space. I mean, there's a lot of things that as athletes, only you know what you go through. And there's a wicket. I don't but
he batted well, 76 for 2.
Deep mid-wicket in place, and Sharjeel just did not get enough of it. Imad Wasim with a neat catch, and Amir, he was brought back to take a wicket, and he's done exactly that. Karachi Kings needed that.
Fruity crystals के साथ soft और juicy boom boom bubble gum मन को फुला दो
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा
Gigli Eclairs कैरेमल के अंदर finest premium chocolate लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें. Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 or log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL.
मोबिलिन के करोड़ों दिलों के सिकंदर लाहौर